Bangkok, the Big Mango, city of over 14 million people along the banks of the Chao Phraya River. It's an ancient city full of temples, gods, and demons. And at the same time, it's also a very modern city with a wild nightlife and party scene. It's an amazing place, so let's explore and have some good food along the way. So after taking a 2-hour flight from Singapore, then a short drive to the hotel, we can get some rest so we can start fresh in the morning. Crossing the street in Bangkok's always an adventure. Hopefully the drivers are paying attention. During my days in Bangkok, I got lucky. No rain, just hot and humid. This is the Terminal 21 Mall. Very cool mall. Each floor is supposed to represent a different country with airport gates. So here we are walking around Rome. Air-conditioned mall is always appreciated in hot and sweaty Bangkok. The food court in Terminal 21 is known as one of the cheapest places to get authentic street food in Bangkok, with prices typically around $1 or less per dish. So for our first plate, we got some roasted pork with rice and a nice spicy bowl of tom yum soup. The soup was full of chilies, spices, coconut milk, and shrimp. Ooh, it's so spicy and so good. Next up, we have some Thai-style chicken rice and some mango sticky rice. Chicken may look plain, but it's boiled in all kinds of herbs and spices and coconut milk. And the rice is then cooked with the broth from the chicken. Add some of the chili sauce and you're golden. Chicken rice has all the characteristics of Thai food. Sweet, salty, spicy, and sour. Mango sticky rice. Perhaps one of the dishes I miss the most from Thailand. Unbelievably sweet and delicious mango with sticky rice, with sweet coconut milk poured over the top, and crunchy fried mung beans. Interesting products on sale in the streets of Bangkok. For those who are not faint of heart and strong of back and neck, I highly recommend the tuk-tuk rides. It's a blast going through Bangkok traffic in these crazy death machines. So I rented this long-tail boat for a private river cruise.
Long-tail boat.
I managed to get in without falling into the river. And we're off. The Chao Phraya River is a major thoroughfare in Bangkok, taking passengers all throughout the city through a network of canals. Lots of amazing temples along the river. So we got a little thirsty along the way, so the boat driver pulled up to this guy who's a floating market unto himself. Now this guy's got everything you want: fruit, drinks, snacks. So with our refreshment needs met, it's time to continue our journey. This is the Buddhist temple Wat Arun, also known as the Temple of the Dawn. Here's a little better view once we stop moving. And it's time for our river journey to come to an end. Sounds like time to get some more food. So we found this place, and of course started out with our usual large Chang beer. For lunch, we have some pad krapao, which is ground pork with long beans, and lots of chilies. Well, that's it for this time. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks, everybody.